First laptop. 1981, the Osborne One was considered the first true mobile computer, weighing 24.5 pounds. Apple's first laptop, the Macintosh Portable, was released in 1989 and weighed 16 pounds. Laptops before 1990s typically had a monochrome display and were quite bulky. Solid-state drives dramatically reduced boot-up time and application launch time compared to HDDs. Modern laptops' battery life can last up to 20 hours on a single charge, depending on usage. The term laptop can be misleading, as some can get too hot to comfortably sit on a user's lap. Gaming laptops often have advanced cooling systems to handle high-performance tasks. Laptop keyboards were initially resisted as they felt different from desktop keyboards. LED screens are more energy efficient and provide sharper images than their LCD counterparts. Laptops in space. NASA uses specially designed laptops aboard the International Space Station. Laptops during 1990s often had trackballs instead of the now common touchpads. Thin laptops use PCIe SSDs instead of SATA SSDs for faster data transfer and saving space. The MacBook Air, introduced in 2008, was one of the first mainstream ultra-thin laptops. Modern CPUs have a turbo boost feature that allows them to run faster than their base clock speed. Laptop sales surpassed desktop sales for the first time in 2008. Convertible laptops can be used as both traditional laptops and tablets. Backlit keyboards were a luxury feature, but are now common in many laptop models. Laptop RAM is often soldered to the motherboard in ultra-thin models to save space. Early laptops used floppy disks or even cassette tapes for storage. Laptops' touchpads use capacitive touch detection, similar to smartphones. The first 1TB SSD was introduced in 2008, providing lightning-fast storage capacities. Laptops in education are now a fundamental tool, with many schools issuing them to students. Chromebooks are laptops that run entirely on Google's Chrome OS. Laptops' webcams have a standard resolution of 720p, though more premium models offer 1080p. Laptops' Wi-Fi cards can be upgraded in many models for better connectivity and speed. Gaming laptops often feature RGB lighting for a customizable aesthetic experience. Rugged laptops are designed to withstand harsh conditions, including extreme temperatures and drops. Modern laptops often include fingerprint readers or facial recognition for added security. Laptop GPUs are typically more power-efficient versions of their desktop counterparts. 2-in-1 laptops come with a detachable keyboard, allowing for a tablet-like experience. Laptop screens with OLED technology offer deeper blacks and vibrant colors. Laptop speakers are now often tuned by premium audio brands for an enhanced listening experience. Laptops in movies are sometimes non-functional props with post-production effects added. Laptop hinges are tested for thousands of cycles to ensure durability. Cooling fans in laptops can be cleaned to improve performance and reduce overheating. Laptops for creatives often come with high-resolution displays and color accuracy. Modern laptops can support multiple external displays for a workstation setup. Laptops in the 2000s saw a rise in popularity of netbooks, smaller and cheaper versions of laptops. Laptop batteries are typically made of lithium-ion and have a limited number of charge cycles. Laptops' motherboards are custom designed for each model, unlike the standardized ones for desktops. Laptops' weight has dramatically decreased over the years, with many modern models weighing under 3 pounds. Modern laptops can be charged via USB-C, allowing for universal chargers across devices. Laptops with 4K screens consume more battery life than those with full HD screens. Laptops for gaming often have dedicated keys for features like screen recording and macros. Laptop storage can often be expanded by adding an additional SSD or replacing the existing one. Laptops in the 1990s were often seen as luxury items, with prices significantly higher than today. Laptops with touch screens offer an interactive experience, especially useful for designers. Business laptops often come with features like vPro for remote management. Laptops' keyboards can have different layouts based on the region, like QWERTY, AZERTY, and QWERTZ. Laptops with ECPAS allow for desktop-grade graphics performance by connecting an external GPU